from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today we're going to be going over a long band squat. To start, you're going to need a long resistance band, and we're going to loop it around your neck. Next, you're going to step your feet into the resistance band, and you want to plant your feet just outside your hips. You can pull the resistance band back just a little bit so that it doesn't have so much pressure on your neck. Make sure you're standing up nice and tall. Your feet are going to be slightly pointed outwards. When you squat, your knees are going to be following in line with your second toe. You're going to squeeze your core tight, keeping your back straight, your chest up, and your hands are going to be right in front of your chest, or they can be straight out in front of you, whatever you prefer. I like them right in front of my chest. Now you're going to squeeze your core tight, keeping your back straight, dropping your butt all the way down to the ground, and then pressing into those heels, standing right back up. And that is a long band squat.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks, guys!